Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and let's talk about something that I don't use, that you probably don't use, and that, apart from the fact that it brings me the weather, I'm starting to think that maybe I don't want it at all. And it's the famous widgets in Windows 11. So, first of all, the most crappiest crap of news and stuff I don't care about is in here. And whatever you play around with, whatever you change, it doesn't do anything. And of course, we talk about how widgets might have third-party widgets and so on. I'm beginning to think that widgets should just be turned off, and I don't care, and I don't want to see it again. There's nothing interesting in here. And of course, you can customize it and try to put like stuff you want at the top so that you don't see the crap that's left here in the bottom with all sorts of things that we don't care about. My question is, should Microsoft and I would like to have your your knowledge on that, your wisdom. Do you guys even care about the widgets? Would you prefer that it just didn't exist? Or the other thing, if third-party widgets would come, that would be kind of interesting. Would you like to have the widgets, but with cool stuff in it that you actually would want to use? Because right now, there's kind of nothing really interesting. You can, at most you can customize it with, like, I got weather. You can add, maybe sports, things that you like that. But even that, it's like every time we talk about, oh, well, you can add widgets, you can customize the widgets, you can do whatever you want. It doesn't work. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't change the crap that we see. And, I think you just waste time in trying to customize all of this. So, now there's what? There's home, there's videos, with whatever that does, and it brings it here to something probably I don't want to see. And what's the last one here? This is play, which brings us to, I don't know, games on the Microsoft site. So I don't know. The more I see the widgets and the way that they're playing with the widgets, the more I think I just want to turn it off. And is it the same with you? And would there be a compelling reason that you might say, yes, I would use the widgets if this would be available, or if I don't know, kind of a useless panel, basically. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.